Today we'll be going over the installation of EcoHitch part X7422S, which features a stainless steel receiver on a Toyota Sienna. If you enjoy this video, please consider leaving us a like and subscribing for any future installs. Start by opening the rear hatch. Remove the 4 screws located by the tail lights on each side. Remove both tail lights by pushing them toward the rear of the vehicle. Unplug all the wiring harnesses from each assembly. Next, remove the push-in clips from the wheel wells on both sides. Remove the screws from the mudguards. Remove the clips on the bottom side of the rear bumper. Unclip the plastic panel behind the driver's side rear wheel. Next, remove the rear bumper cover, disconnecting any wiring harness connectors still attached. If your vehicle has a kick sensor, remove it from the bumper. With the bumper now removed, peel back the metal tape from the ends of the crossmember to access its retaining nuts. Disconnect any wiring attached to the factory crossmember. Remove the nuts. Then remove the crossmember. Now, using the guidelines in the instructions, mark and trim out an access port for the hitch receiver. You can reinstall the kick sensor at this time. On some models, it may be necessary to trim the angle tabs on the driver's side. Lift your EcoHitch into place over the studs and secure with the factory nuts. Install the side support brackets to the bottom of the vehicle frame. Install a bolt, washer, and lock washer into each hole. Insert a bolt and washer through the 3 holes going from the hitch to the support brackets. Secure with a washer, lock washer, and nut. Ensure the hitch is centered and torque all the hardware. Now reinstall the bumper panel by connecting any wiring, then snapping back into place. The driver's side rear panel removed earlier can either be left off the vehicle or trimmed following the measurements in the instructions. Reinstall the rear panel if desired. Next, reinstall the plastic clips on the rear bumper. Finally, reinstall the taillights by reconnecting the wiring, followed by the 4 screws. EcoHitch installation is now complete. Your rear hatch can still be opened and closed by waving your foot to the left of the trailer hitch.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torque Lift products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.